Using Gmail gift cards can enhance your email experience by allowing you to purchase various services or products. Here is a simple guide to help you get started. Step 1. Check your gift card balance. Before using your gift card, check the balance to ensure you know how much you can spend. You can usually do this by visiting the website or app associated with the gift card. Step 2. Log into your Gmail account. Open your web browser and log into your Gmail account using your email address and password. Make sure you are using the account where you want to redeem the gift card. Step 3. Navigate to the Google Store. Once logged in, go to the Google Store or the specific service you want to use the gift card for. This could include Google Play, YouTube, or other Google services that accept gift cards. Step 4. Select your purchase. Browse through the available products or services and select what you want to purchase. Add the item to your cart and proceed to checkout. Step 5. Redeem your gift card. At checkout, look for the option to enter your gift card code. Input the code exactly as it appears on the card and apply it to your purchase. If the balance covers your total, complete the transaction. Now you're ready to enjoy your purchases using your Gmail gift card.